How I make viral Bible shorts for free. Step-by-step CapCut method. Want to create Bible content that stops the scroll and inspires millions? Here's the exact method I use. No budget, no fancy tools, just free apps and a little creativity. Let's go! Step 1. Research trends. Find what people are searching for before they even ask. Use Google Gemini to find Bible-related trending topics, search terms, and viewer questions. Pro. Tip. Look for emotional or curiosity-driven topics like how to find hope in hard times or what does the Bible say about forgiveness? Step 2. Generate. The story turn ideas into powerful bite-sized stories in seconds. Use ChatGPT free or Gemini to turn your research into a short, impactful Bible story or lesson. Example: The Prodigal Son's Return, a lesson on unconditional love. Step 3. Create a viral hook. Stop the scroll in 3 seconds or less. Use DeepSeek free or ChatGPT to craft a scroll-stopping first line. Examples: He left everything behind. But what happened next will shock you. This one Bible verse changed my life. Here's why. Step 4. Review the script. Make it flow like a conversation. Read your script aloud to ensure it sounds natural and engaging. Adjust wording to keep it short, clear, and impactful. Step 5. Create the video in CapCut. Turn your script into a stunning video in minutes. Paste your script into CapCut's script to video feature. Important: use Google Chrome or it might not work. Pick an AI voice that matches your tone. CapCut has great options. Add Bible-friendly stock visuals, subtitles, and background music, all available in CapCut.
Where was he? As Mary approached the tomb, she noticed that the large stone ceiling entrance had been rolled away. Fear and confusion gripped her. She ran to find Peter and John, exclaiming, "They've taken the Lord out of the tomb, and we do not know where they laid him." Peter and John hurried to the tomb.
Final review. Polish it until it shines. Check timing. Keep it under 60 seconds for shorts, reels. Tweak visuals, voice, or music to make it flow perfectly. Post and schedule. Get your content seen by the right people at the right time. Export from CapCut and upload to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Use YouTube Studio or a free scheduler like Buffer to time your posts for maximum reach. Why this works? People are hungry for hope. Bible shorts are exploding because they offer truth, inspiration, and hope in a world that desperately needs it. And the best part? You can start today, for free. Your turn. Ready to create your first viral Bible short? Follow these steps and tag me when you post. I'd love to see what you create.